Welcome. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of creating a GitHub account from scratch. Whether you're a developer, student, or someone looking to collaborate on projects, GitHub is an essential platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the GitHub website. Open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other web browser. In the address bar, type https://github.com and press Enter. You will be directed to the GitHub homepage. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the top right corner of the page, locate the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your account details. Enter a valid email address. You will need it for verification and account recovery. Password. Choose a strong password with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After filling in these details, click Continue. Step 4. Complete the CAPTCHA. Verification. GitHub may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA challenge to prove that you are not a robot. Follow the instructions and verify your identity. Step 5. Verify your email address. GitHub will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for a message from GitHub. Click on the verification link inside the email. This will confirm your email address and activate your GitHub account. Step 6. Choose your account. Type GitHub offers different choice. Set up your GitHub profile. Once your account is created, you can personalize your profile by adding a profile picture, a bio describing yourself, and share code, contribute to open-source projects, collaborate with other developers. If you want to know how to create repositories, wait for next video.